Billy Jack on location. The old Makiki Park. These 4 buildings around here. I can't find the name of them or nothing. Pay close attention to their location. Very close to the base of the mountain range right behind us. Very close to the mountain range. In the park, we can get an idea of the slope. Right at this shot right here where these people are standing over there, you can get an idea of the slope, gradient of the land through here. This old building here I found also on Google Earth. Location to the mountains is going to make this. Plus you got a lot of the historic walls still around here. We're walking over right now. This building back here is just incredible. It's old world building. See the top of it. This thing goes down quite a ways. This building here is the one that got my attention. Always with the administrative function. Interesting to know these buildings' original purpose. This one has some very interesting artwork at the top up there. Very difficult to see from down here. Notice the lines where the windows used to be. Just like the streets of Tartarian YouTube video said. It's absolutely correct. Look at the outline of the crack below the window. What the fuck? See the outline, the crack goes where the original window was. You can clearly see the bottom of the window with the doorknob. Red brick structure? Yeah, red brick, man. Billy Jack on location, we went out.